Sport nawe tuganire twumve icyo baza kuba batubwira murabizi ko ari umukinyi ikipe ya maze gusinyisha umusore ukomoka muri Ghana. Would you first of all introduce yourself to us, know who you are?
I'm OLOKWEI COMMODORE from Ghana. I come from Ekonfi United. I am under 17, under 20 player of Ghana.
Yes. Yeah. We've heard that you've already signed for 1 year with the Rayon Sports. Tell us what actually instigated you to sign for the Giants Rayon Sports.
Actually, I signed 2 years for them. I signed today for them 2 years. Yeah, I signed 2 years for them today.
2 years, and but certainly there's a reason why you signed for this club.
Yeah, they fell in love with my play, so it's normal. If you go to trials, if the coach, the fans, everybody fall in love with you, actually they will sign you. Yeah. That's what happened. Yeah.
Okay, you've been watching the first half of the game. What is your impression about your teammates?
Oh, okay. The game is good. I think we are playing better than them, and actually we will score them. At the end of the day, we will score them.
Is there any particular player who has actually impressed you more?
Oh, Sapon is very great. It's very great. He has impressed me. For the past days I'm here, his games and everything, he has really impressed me. He's very good. And Fabrice, nice midfielder. Yeah.
Which position did you play?
I'm also a midfielder, a box-to-box.
You're a box-to-box player. Yeah. So we should expect more goals from Sapon and Gilles. Certainly they're going to score more goals, 20 and above?
Actually, yeah. From the upcoming league that is going to come, I think they will score more. They will score more.
What should we say is your strength?
Okay, I am a good in assist. I'm very good in technique, and I'm very good.
And how old are you?
I'm 22 years of age.
Good, and welcome to Rwanda, welcome to Rayon Sports, and good luck.
Thank you very much.
Aya, ngira mwumvise muri make ngerageje kuvuga ibyo yavuze ko n'umusore ufite imyaka 22 n'umusore namajije cyatumye asinyira ikipe ya Rayon Sports. Banyeretse ko banyishimiye, banyereka ko banyifuza, nanjye numva nshobora kuba nabasinyira, akabasinye imyaka 2, akaba muri rusange mubajije point fort ye, ambwa ko ari umukinyi ushobora gutanga assist, ushobora gukina neza, techniquement uri fort. Hanyuma ikindi namubaje nise niwe mukinyi wabonye gushimishije cyane cyangwa wakwimpressionye, ati yari umukinyi Salpanga no mukinyi w'umuhanga cyane, ati namugeni Fabrice. Ndamubaza ntese muri rusange twizere iki kuri wowe, n'icyo abantu bagutegaho ibitego byinshi uzatanga amasi cyangwa ati niko bimeze. Yavuze ko ari umukinyi techniquement uri fort. Muri rusange byo yavuze nibyo ngibyo, akaba rero yishimiye kuza mu ikipe ya Rayon Sports nko mwayibonye.
Gura ifatabuguzi rikunogeye aho uri hose mu gihugu ukoresheje MTN Mobile Money, Tigo Cash, Airtel Money cyangwa ugana abaduhagarariye mu gihugu hose. Azam TV, imyidagaduro kuri bose.